All right, buddy, welcome back to another video. We're here today in Hamlin, Illinois. We're on our way to Alton for the Ted's Harley-Davidson's food truck event. Making our YouTube debut is my wife, Jackie, and Mr. Brad Byzantine. Brad, welcome aboard. It's nice to see you again after all these years. Brad's rocking the lowrider today. Pretty sharp looking. All right, guys, you ready to hit the road? Boop. Hop on, baby. So just take it easy on us. And yes, everybody, you can do 2 up on an Iron 883. It is possible. It's not the most comfortable ride, I'm sure, but it is possible. Alright, so today we're looking at about a high of 80 degrees. You can see it is very cloudy, but there is no rain in the forecast, and it looks to be a very beautiful day. You guys remember the last ride I did out and about for the Unhinged MC? We had weather very similar to this, so it should be perfect, especially with all the gear we got on. Alright guys, so we're not too far shy from Alton, and just to let you know what's going on again if you haven't watched previous videos, this is a food truck event, and there are about 4 St. Louis area businesses slash restaurants that are participating in today's event. You got StLouisianaQ, which is a barbecue joint, Doughboy's wood-fired pizza, which is of course a pizza place. You've also got 2 Girls, 4 Wheels, which has a variety of food, and also Sia's Italian Ice. So it sounds like a delicious array of goodies. right, a red bomb opportunity. Get it, Brad. Alright, but here we are once again at Ted's. You can see there's tons of bikes here already. It's already a happening place. We're gonna go and check out what's gonna be going on for eats. There's a live band going on. Big bike sales too. Hey guys, so StLouisianaQ was really good. I had the Porky Pig dog. It just had bacon, nacho cheese, and a big ass hot dog on a bun, and man, it was good. Jackie had the Nacho Mama dog. It had chili Fritos on the top of it with jalapenos. Quite a kicker, quite good, she said. So, lots going on here, lots of bikes, man. It's a good time today. It's beautiful weather. Lots of MCs here, lots of just, you know, weekend warriors out riding today. And there's also a barbecue going on across town too, like a little barbecue event. So there's lots going on in Alton today. So the River Road should be a nice ride with lots of bikes, and it's just a beautiful time today. So I wonder if Dan the fireman runs this one. That doesn't look like his mustache.
motor running.
Let's check it out. Here's the new Iron 1200. It's another bike I'd like to test ride in the near future, but they have both the black and the white paint versions here, and it looks pretty good. Bet you that seat's more comfortable. They got gel padding on these, and pretty snazzy looking. Ah, old school looking. Yep, I'd do it. Alright guys, we're all geared up. We're heading out. Had a great time here today. The food was really awesome. The people were really friendly. Lots of bikes, lots of MCs, and a lot of stuff going on. So, me and Jackie are gonna head down the river road. We'll see you guys in the next video. You take it sleazy.